Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby's here today along with my son Nathaniel. Say hey, Nathaniel.
Hey.
Guys, today we're going to be replacing one of the ceiling fans out here in the garage, so let's get started. Okay guys, several years ago I put a bunch of fans out here in the shop for Nathaniel and for me too. We've got like 7 fans out here, but recently this one here has been giving us some trouble, okay? I think the motor's actually going bad in it, and we have a couple extra fans here that we never did install, so we're going to install one today in its place. Okay guys, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this little cover off, and there's just a screw on each side, and then we're going to let Nathaniel get up here, and he's going to pull the blades off of this thing one by one. So we're going to pull this off right quick if we can, to where it'll get exposed. This was wiring to a fan. A light fixture used to be on this fan that we did not use. This fan was actually donated to us years ago. It had actually fell out of someone's ceiling, so they give it to us, and we put some new brackets and blades on it, and it always did kind of turn out of balance. But actually, now it's got to where we're a little scared of it because it kind of makes noise when it warms up, and I think the motor's actually kind of bad. So anyway, we're going to switch this thing out. Okay guys, we got Nathaniel up here on the ladder using a Phillips head screwdriver, and he's going to pull these blades off one by one. Friends, I want to tell you a little bit about these ceiling fans here, okay? Like I was saying, Nathaniel loved these ceiling fans, especially when he was younger, and we put up a bunch of them out here. And we have a video that we're going to put down in the description so you can see Nathaniel when he was just a little old tiny fella out here showing off his ceiling fans for everybody.
Oh my goodness. Okay, friends and neighbors. I'm doing okay. This is the final blade.
Final blade's coming off, guys.
But
Daniel's gonna work on that. Guys, I want to also mention to you that before we even started this project, we made sure we cut the power off on this circuit.
Yeah, make sure you do that.
Yep. Don't want to get electrocuted, do you, Nathaniel?
Alright, now we got the other one over there.
Yep. Go ahead and let it. If the screws fall, that's fine. We'll pick them up. Back them out, buddy.
Oh, I think it's not the one.
Oh, careful. All right.
Here you go.
So we got all the blades off of there now.
And first we're going to do is take the Hover Breeze motor.
Yeah, we're going to pull the whole thing down here in just a minute. Daddy will get up there and do it.
And you see right here, this thing balances.
Yeah,
and it doesn't wobble at all, but the motor.
The motor, the center part of it, I think was bent.
Yeah, it's bent and it is so bad.
Yep, and it finally just got to the point I think.
And we've got a chain right here. This one is for the fan switch.
Yep. Alrighty, we'll move on. Okay, guys. What I'm doing now is I'm up here. There's 3 screws holding this little brass cover up here to the electrical box. I'm going to go ahead and back those out. Okay guys, this fan here is like a ball and socket type. So we can just lift up and pull the whole fan down right here, and we can tug on our wires here, and we should be able to get them pulled down to where we can disconnect our wires here, and then we can lower this whole thing out of place, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect these wires, and we should be able to drop this fan right out of here. Now with the fan motor and everything out of place, we are going to remove the bracket that held the swivel ball. And it just has 2 screws going into the metal box that our wiring is in. So we're going to remove these, and then we will show you which fan we're getting ready to install and what modifications we may have to make. Okay guys, here's the old one we just took down. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off of the bench here and make some room. We're getting ready to throw this sucker out in the trash next time we take a load of trash to the dump. But we have 2 here that we've taken down off the shelf, and we're gonna let Nathaniel here make the final decision. What kind is this one here?
This one is the Hunter Summer Breeze.
Hunter Summer Breeze. Okay, it's got a single light there. This one here's pretty cool. What kind is this one?
This one is called Hampton Bay Huntington 2 or 3 or 1.
Okay. So it's got a light fixture. We can put some bulbs in there and get some more light in here too.
And this one is
Okay guys, we're gonna make a we're going to make a decision here, and then we'll start installing one of them. We got to check our blades. We're going to try to use the old blades off the other one. Of course, we do have
we got new
blades over here as well for which fan. So we got to figure out what blades we're going to use, which fan we're going to use, and we'll get it installed. Daniel, tell the good people which fan we decided on.
Alright, this is like, okay, this one here is the Hunter Summer Breeze ceiling fan.
Okay.
And this one has one light bulb.
Yep.
To turn it on.
Yep.
That's the light. And this right here, these are the blades.
That's the blades that went with it?
Yep.
And we had to hunt this down. This is the bracket. We finally found it. So we're going to go ahead and install that.
And we took down the old fan,
Yep.
Harbor Breeze. But the Harbor Breeze is broken now and is rest in peace for now.
Resting in peace. That's right. It's going to go to the scrapyard.
Yep, I mean, it's going to the trash.
That's right.
Guys, back up here. I went ahead and tucked my wires back up in here, my black and my white. Just to let you know, your black wire is your hot wire, your white wire is your neutral wire, and usually just your copper wire is your ground, okay? So we're going to go ahead and install this bracket up here and tighten this securely back down, and then we'll be ready to install the fan here in just a few moments. Okay guys, hey, we're going to go ahead and hook up our ground wire here before we go too much further. Let's see if I can, I'm going to strip a little bit more of this insulation off of here. There we go. I got a little bit more off. And we have a wire nut here. And what we're going to do is just go ahead and twist it around our ground wire and go ahead and tuck it out of the way. And we'll just kind of jam it up here and get it out of our way while we hang our new fan back in place. And that should do it right there. And we'll just check, make sure it's not going to pull out very easily, and it seems to be okay. So we're going to go ahead and just tuck our ground wire right up into our little opening here that we have. So it will be completely out of the way. All right. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and put probably 4 of the blades on here. We'll leave one off just so we got a little bit of working space up there.
Yeah.
We'll go ahead and attach them down.
I mean, I might do the final blade.
Yeah, I'll let you go ahead and put them on. Go ahead and cut the camera off. We'll let you put on the last 2.
Alright.
Alright. Alright, Nathaniel's working away, friends.
Oh, crap.
Alright. Starting with your finger, bud.
Alright. Alright.
Alright. Daniel's doing good here, guys. Don't forget to click down below on the video from many years ago and check out the video when Nathaniel was just a little old fella. And now he's a big old fella. Alright, buddy.
That seems alright. That seems.
Put one more on there, Nathaniel, and then we'll go ahead and hang this thing for the people.
You see that? That seems good.
Mm-hmm. Seems real good. You're doing great.
And we're gonna make sure we put the light bulb on.
Yep. We'll go get a brand new light bulb for it when we're done.
And I saw a light bulb over there.
Oh yeah. Okay, guys, we got 4 blades installed. If you notice, there's a little hole right here. Okay. But then there's a little hook right up here on our bracket, and we should be able to actually just kind of hook it right there momentarily and let it hang and dangle, and it should give us enough space here to make our electrical connections. And once we do that, we will fit this thing back in place. Now go ahead and leave the camera running. I'm going to go ahead and hook up the neutral wire right quick. So we got white on white here. And we're just going to twist it in the direction, like clockwise, like your as the way that your wire nut is going to be installed. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and put our wire nut on. And go ahead and twist it down really good until it feels good and snug. And then kind of tug on that 18 gauge wire just a little bit to make sure it's locked in there good. Now if you'll notice, we have 2 black wires here, okay? One of them is for the fan motor, one of them is for the light fixture, okay? So we're going to go ahead, and they're 18 gauge stranded wire. We're going to go ahead and twist them together. And then we're going to find our 14 gauge hot wire here. We're going to twist these all together here in the same fashion. And then we're going to put our wire nut on that. And I have one right here.
Oh.
All righty. You can go ahead and cut it off now, Nathaniel. Our wire nut is on there. We tugged on the two little black wires and they're secure. Now we're going to go ahead and unhook this fixture off of our hook. And we're going to tuck these wires down here as we install this thing. Now we've already got 2 screws started here, and there's 2 slots on this fan. So let me turn it around to where I can get the 2 slotted ones in the position that they need to be in. And we're going to lift straight up, try to keep our wires tucked, and see if we can get up here on 2 of these and then twist clockwise, okay? And I believe we successfully did that. So now what we've got to do is I got to come down the ladder just a second and grab my screw. I'm going to hold this and get my other screw started, then we're going to snug all this back down. Okay guys, now the fan is actually secure in place. All 3 of those screws on the metal bracket up here are held to the electrical fixture. And we're going to go ahead and install our final blade here. And then we will be ready to give this thing a test run. Guys, Nathaniel wants to go ahead and install the light bulb.
Alright, this one is the light bulb.
Yep.
And I hope this light bulb might work.
I hope so too. It might be burnt out, I don't know. We'll have to find out.
Alright.
Alright.
It's all good.
Alright, I'm gonna go cut the power on. Nathaniel's gonna give you the demo.
Alright. This one, that's the light.
Yep, and it works.
And we'll see it balance.
Yeah, it's on high now. Let's see how far out of balance it is.
Let's see it balance.
Looking pretty good.
It's on high right now.
Oh boy, that sucker turns nice, don't it? Ooh, that's kicking out some nice air. Alright.
And you see right here, this one's on reverse mode and it does balance.
Yep, that
And
feels
one
good
up
there.
there, we gotta do a how-to video, how to use a balancing kit.
Yeah, Nathaniel wants to do a how-to video on our Hunter over there because it's out of balance. It kicked the weight off of it.
As well.
This sucker's doing good, ain't it, Nathaniel?
Yep.
What do you think? Did you have fun out here tonight?
Yep.
All right, sounds great. Guys, we want to thank you for watching our video today of how to replace a ceiling fan. And folks out there, get your kids involved. Teach them a little something. If you're not going to teach them vocational stuff in school,
Alright.
let's teach them ourselves, guys.
Hey.
Have a great day, and we'll see you next
Hey.
time.
Hey.
Hold on, Nathaniel's got something else he wants to show you.
Alright. And you see right here, that lights up.
Oh, yeah. That
Yeah.
one there?
Yeah, and it's kind of cool.
Yeah, it is a cool light fixture there.
Yeah, take sure, like, comment, and subscribe and tell our friends about us.
All right. We'll see you next time, guys.
Audio.